Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get Binance Alpha airdrops. First, understand that Alpha airdrops are exclusive opportunities for early supporters of new projects on the Binance platform. These events reward users who meet specific criteria, often involving token holdings or active participation. Staying updated with official Binance announcements is crucial to identify and prepare for these unique opportunities. To become eligible for Alpha airdrops, ensure your Binance account is fully verified, completing all Know Your Customer requirements. Often, holding a minimum amount of BNB, perhaps around 0.1 BNB, in your spot wallet can be a key factor. Additionally, active participation in new project launches or staking programs on Binance can significantly increase your chances of qualifying for these special distributions. Once an Alpha airdrop is announced, closely follow official Binance social media channels and announcements for real-time updates and instructions. It's essential to actively opt in for specific campaigns if required, as participation is not always automatic. Remember to maintain any necessary token balances throughout the designated snapshot period to ensure your eligibility for the airdrop rewards. To maximize your potential Alpha airdrop rewards, consider diversifying your token holdings across different projects and ecosystems on Binance. Engaging with new projects early, perhaps by participating in their initial offerings or community events, can often lead to early supporter status and better airdrop allocations. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Staying active and informed is key to securing these valuable opportunities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.